everybody, it's your boy Mr. Greenhands. Welcome my Greenhanders. I know you're looking at something. There's a brick, there's a cardboard. But what this garden bed is, my people, this garden bed that I created here, this is not just for me. This is for you. You are my people. You are there every step of the way for me. Thank you guys. And please, 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 go to my community tab. Check out what I'm going to be dropping, because this garden bed that you see here, guys, we're going to be planting this together. This is going to be a Rambo Mr. Greenhanders. Or should I call you my Greenhanders? Maybe I should call you my Greenhanders. I think you are my Greenhanders. Welcome, my Greenhanders, my community. Thank you. This is going to be a garden bed that you're going to help me and decide, use in a tally, what should I put in next? I'm just going to be naming what I have available for you to tell me what I should put in next. And you're going to get to tell me where to put it. The back, the front, or the middle. Please, there will be a photo to see whatever I've put it in with you and whatever is available in terms of seeds, and I'm going to be listing them so you can tell me where I can put it. And this will become our garden bed. My YT family, I'm so thankful and so grateful to you, because without this community, without the YT community, without my people watching my videos, I will be nothing. You would never know about me. Thank you. So look out in the community tab. There's going to be a couple of photos, a couple of pictures to show you what's there, and then you're going to be able to tell me yes or no, or there's going to be a tally to tell you which one should I put in first. Thank you. This is your boy Mr. Greenhands, and keep watching. Love you guys, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because it does help with this amazing community to grow. Thank you, my Greenhanders. God bless.